In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get CapCut Pro completely free in just a few simple steps. Let's jump straight into it. It's an easy process, and I'll guide you step by step on how to unlock CapCut Pro features for both desktop and mobile. Before we start, please subscribe this channel, and your like is most important for us, so please like this video. At the end of this video, I will give you a lot of Pro accounts, so watch till the end. Let's start with the desktop method. When I open CapCut on my computer and drag a video into the timeline, you'll notice that all the effects are unlocked. For example, if I go to the Transitions tab, you can see that I can use all these transitions without any restrictions. Similarly, in the Filters section, if I drag a filter onto the video, even though it's labeled as Pro, I can still use it for free. So, how can you get CapCut Pro for free on desktop? Here's the trick. Open CapCut and look for the Invite Friends option. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you can share your unique invite link. For every friend who installs and launches CapCut on their desktop using your link, you both receive 7 days of CapCut Pro for free. By inviting up to 10 friends, you can earn a total of 70 days of Pro access. Just sign in, share your link, and start enjoying CapCut Pro without paying a dime. Now let's move on to getting CapCut Pro on your phone. If you're using the free version on mobile, you might see a prompt asking you to upgrade to Pro by paying. Don't worry, there's a way to bypass that. Simply go to your inbox in the app and check the messages from CapCut Official. Look for a notification offering a reward. It will guide you to sign up on CapCut's desktop or online platform to claim free Pro access. Here's how it works. First, click on the Get Link for Free Pro option. Then, share that link with your friends. When they download or use CapCut Pro through your shared link, both of you will receive 30 days of free Pro access. It's that simple. So, whether you're on desktop or mobile, these are the easiest ways to enjoy CapCut Pro for free. If you need Pro accounts, then comment me, and I will share the Pro accounts to you. Try these steps and unlock all the premium features without spending anything. Happy editing.